Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by assembling proof so your claim stands up. Gather originals, registration numbers, and clearly dated source files. You need unequivocal ownership. Next, capture the infringing Telegram materials, screenshots, message links, channel and user ID because channel names change. Also prepare your contact details and a concise statement of the rights you own. Once done, make sure files are organized and accessible. This saves time when you fill Telegram's complaint form or draft a direct takedown notice. Now you file the complaint. Use Telegram's in-app report function on the message or channel, or open the copyright complaint web form. Either path requires the same evidence. Attach your ownership proof, include direct message links or channel ID, and add a short, signed statement asserting infringement under your jurisdiction's law. Include reachable contact details and state the relief you want, removal or blocking. After submission, save the confirmation and screenshots of your form. This documents your effort if follow-up is needed. Finish by monitoring Telegram's response and being ready to escalate. If you receive no action within about 1 to 2 weeks, resend the complaint with any new evidence and reference your earlier submission. If Telegram refuses removal, consider a formal legal notice or seek counsel to pursue a court order. Courts can compel platforms when warranted. Make sure to preserve all communications, timestamps, and logs throughout the process. That chain of evidence helps both platform follow-up and any later legal steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.